Welcome to my fans on TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana 1, Ghana 0. I'm joined by China.
Stibo Jayame, indwana yikho Stibo, indwana seGold Reef. Ayinayifostela ngincengile ukuthi ngincengile ukuthi uyofika eGold Reef, but unfortunately umjito seGold Reef today. Inhliziyo yakhe kodwilana. I know ukuthi nabe kafuna ukuzalana siye sancengana but akakhonanga ukuthi afike namhlanje. Stibo, let's look at the game. Congratulations to Sipho Mbule. First international goal. Wow, what a goal. Rocket. Mbule, congratulations, dog. We always know that you are within us as our fans to TV. We're gonna see this. We salute you. That was a great game, Master Chef. We value the Mbule uyalazi, but then today you proved it that you really know football. You enjoy football. You love football. You do football. Football Mbule ayipila. Mbule lives football. Mbule loves football. Mbule is football. When after Mshishi, we got to Mbule. We are the very great nations. Now siyaphuma ke lapha. Iyachange asitipizini. We are not happy with Future Pros.
Ukhala China.
Get behavior yakhe naye. Umuntu omdala can be wrong. We are the new generation. Umkhulu uyagagamela. Umkhulu, today is 16th of December. Sivala is 16 days of activism. Umkhulu khulume ngento engayikhulumanga kahle ngabantu besimame. We love our women. We respect our women. We love our sisters. Uthi umkhulu, that agent is a woman. That woman is an agent. This is his color esivulekile. That woman deserved to be an agent. We were colonized. Future Pros, we were colonized. And you don't know where we're coming from as South Africans. Our sisters didn't have opportunities. That woman, is her right to be an agent. It's her career, it's what she's pursuing to be an agent. She deserved to be an agent. Now that you're saying that Mbogazi, you understand that deal because of the woman the agent is a woman. No! That woman deserves to be an agent. So stop criticizing because of it's a woman. Women are us. We are women. You understand that? We in one country. You Pros, we accept your apology on Mbogazi. But there's apology that you didn't do. You didn't apologize to that woman. You still owe us an apology. You owe South African women. You owe South African women. You owe South African women. That woman, you owe an apology. She is an agent. She didn't choose club Chicago, that Chicago FC, because of she's a woman, because of money. She chose that club because of she thought it's better for Mbogazi. We want coach. We know what you are doing for us. We appreciate what you are doing for us. Future Pros, we know that you're gonna see this. Future Pros, that woman is a South African woman. That woman belongs to us. That woman is an agent. That woman is not there for money. That woman is there because she's supposed to be there. She's not just for Mbogazi's agent. There are some players that belong to that woman. Stop criticizing our women. Madala, stop criticizing. We appreciate your good work. We know what you are doing. And then the last thing that I want to say is that this team that was playing here is not an Orlando Pirates team. Once you are elected as a national player, you are doing a national duty. This is South Africa. These players belong to South Africa. They are not Orlando Pirates. They are not Mamelodi Sundowns. These players are South Africans. They are performing duties for the country. The last one I want to say, before Ivane, Safa, we don't know where to buy Bafana t-shirts. We are not doing right. Safa, we don't know where to buy Bafana shirts. We want Bafana shirts. The only place we know is old school. The only place we know is old school. There's only one Lacock store in Soweto, which is at Maponya. No. Safa, do something. Are you waiting for a tender? Are you waiting for a tender? We're supposed to wear t-shirts. We do afford t-shirts. We do afford t-shirts. Thank you, Baba.